Hey beauties, welcome back and welcome if you're new. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. Today what I'm gonna be doing is a braid out. As you guys can see, I'm not starting off on freshly washed hair, so that's where this comes in handy. I just washed my hair a few days ago, so no, it's not dirty. I just want a different style and I decided to film it for you guys. You always want to make sure your hair is like really moisturized, meaning that, you know, you get your water, your leave-in conditioner, and then you got to seal that moisture in with like a butter or, you know, anything that seals in moisture basically. I'm gonna start off with the back section, so I'm just gonna go with a medium one, just like. And yes, I am going to be moisturizing like each braid by itself. Oh boy, I forgot my clips. I'll be right back. Okay, so got my clip. So yeah, like I was saying, I do make sure that I moisturize each braid by itself, just to make sure that like every strand of each of my braid outs are fully moisturized and ready to go. And you never want to detangle on dry hair, so you always gotta make sure you wet your hair before you detangle. You know what? I'm just gonna switch my comb just because I don't like that one. I'm gonna wet my hair some more. Yeah, you gotta make sure it's really wet. That's why sometimes we do have the problem with our hair not drying properly the next day. Then I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, and I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. Oh my god, let me block the light. So yeah, that's the leave-in conditioner I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna take not too much. About that, not a lot, and then just gonna rub that into the hair. I rub my hair between my palms just to make sure like every strand is getting coated properly, so that's why I'm doing that technique. And then I separate it just to make sure the hairs in the middle get product as well. Then I'm gonna go in with some trusty olive oil. Yay, my extra virgin olive oil. Just gonna go in with a little, oh, there's too much. Crap. Okay, just a little bit. And then rub that in. Then I'm gonna go in with my whipped shea butter. I do have a video of me making this. I'm gonna link it somewhere up there. So just click the little eye at the top of your screen, like on my video, and then you'll be able to watch it. Just gonna take a little bit of the shea butter. It's like really soft. It is. It just melts like butter. Like butter. It just melts like butter. Just using the shea butter to lock in that moisture. You need a little bit more. And then one thing I like to do is go back over it with the comb, just to make sure everything is smooth out before I start braiding. Go ahead. You know what? Let me put a little tutorial on how to do a braid. I do hope you guys can see this. All right, so you have your 3 strands, right? you have your 3 strands. So you're gonna take these 2 fingers over here, hold this one at the end, and you're gonna use your middle finger to grab the one in the middle, and then these fingers or this hand to grab the one on the, for you guys, it's gonna be on what, your right? Yeah. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this hand, use this finger to grab the middle one, and then use my middle finger from my other hand to grab this one, but I'm not gonna put it over this part right here. I'm gonna put it in the middle, and then I'm just gonna follow the motion. My middle finger is coming in, like it's gonna be bending my hand. So you're just gonna use like your thumb and your index finger to basically follow the pattern. So since the middle finger is coming in, I'm just gonna go around, then I'm gonna use this middle finger to grab that section right there. Then after I got those sections, you can see like I already have one underneath. It's all about taking the end braid that you have and putting it in the middle. So as you can see, this end braid right over here, it has now become the end braid, and it's the one that I'm going to be putting over. I'm going to take my middle finger again and pull that one over. Pull it to the middle. And another trick is to make sure that your braid is tight, especially at the roots. Then again, middle finger, take over the one at the end and put it in the middle, middle finger, and then you just continue to do the same thing going down. I do hope that was helpful to you guys. Okay. For the end, I am going to go back in with some of my shea butter and just seal in that moisture at the end, because that's one of the biggest problems with doing braid outs, is that when you're taking them down, then you know the end of your hair is like really dry, so you gotta make sure you seal in that moisture just so you don't lose, just so it doesn't look dry when you already take them out. Oh my god, the braid came undone. So I gotta do it. I'm just gonna twist the end. So that's the first braid. Look at how moisturized it looks. It looks really pretty. Okay, that's what it looks. That's what it's looking like. All right, I'm just gonna do the rest of the braids. Check. How much inches do you guys think that is? I don't know, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. Guys, I forgot the leave-in conditioner before the oil. On the last one, and by the way, look at how moisturized they look. Ooh, my braids are looking so pretty. Like, you can definitely see the moisture in this. That's it for all my braids. They're done. I'm just gonna wrap these in a satin scarf. You want to make sure that you do cover your hair with some form of like a satin scarf or a satin bonnet, just to make sure that all that moisture does stay in your hair overnight. And take these down tomorrow for you guys. It's the next day, and this is what my braids are looking like. They're all dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking them down. Just gonna put a little oil, whatever oil you want to use, just a little bit. Put it on your hands, and then I'm gonna start to unravel them. Let me come just a little closer. You want to make sure you're unraveling them like really gently, just so they don't come out super frizzy. All right, so that's the first one. I'm gonna go ahead and take down the other ones. Okay, so all my braids are down and this is what they're looking like. Just come a little closer just to show you guys. They actually came out really pretty. All right, I'm just gonna go in with my fingers and just pick at the roots just to fluff up my roots a little bit. Just like so. Just like so. What do you guys think? Just let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this hairstyle? It's so cute. All right, so I did go ahead and style it, and this is what the final look is like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please let me know what you think in the comments, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can always be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll have more videos like this coming next. So thank you, bye.